Another harsh week for stocks. However, there is some good news for the channel, which I would like to say firstly. Thank you for nearly 200 views on my latest video as well as almost 10 subscribers. I truly appreciate all the support in the comments and from new subscribers. Speaking of comments, Dividendology, a great dividend YouTuber you should check out, also commented on my video, and I got inspiration from their Spreadsheets Plus from the Dividend Growth channel. So shout out to them and those that support my channel as well. None of this is financial advice, please do your own research. I am not a financial advisor. Now let's get into the portfolio. I am slightly up from last week, but the portfolio was really close to gaining back the value that it lost from previous weeks. On Wednesday it was sitting around $548 and I was hoping the entire market would continue to move up and the portfolio could go back over $550, but I guess not for now. That though quickly faded with Thursday and Friday lol. Everything else stays pretty much the same, except for the dividend income, which is now $11.33, which is great, so we are clear into the double-digit dividends. Let's check out the holdings now, after you like this video and subscribe for the YouTube algorithm. SCHD is nearing 2 shares and every other stock isn't even close to 1 lol. There is also much more red in the portfolio now for total growth. UNH is a new stock to now be in the negatives, but I'll keep DCAing so it's fine. Actually on Wednesday, SCHD and VU were positive again, but then Thursday and Friday wiped that away. Also MSFT is currently 8% if my portfolio, which is the value that I set for it to be for my entire portfolio, so there is a chance that I could be buying more shares for the next contribution, but we'll see. I made my third and penultimate contribution for August. This month has definitely gone very quick. I made another $50 contribution, which now puts me 20% away from my 2K portfolio value goal. However, I expected the portfolio to reach a 1K portfolio value the week of October 23rd. But with the recent losses in the market, that date may be pushed back by 1 week. I'll keep you updated on what I plan to do for the portfolio closer to that date. I might contribute the difference between my portfolio and the 1K portfolio value to ensure I meet that goal, or the market might have gains and it will automatically get there like I expected it to. As you can see, the sum of the contribution was greater than the total contribution I made. This is once again because I dripped my dividends back into the portfolio. So I was able to contribute 10 cents more, which hopefully will grow into more soon. Here is the performance for the 1 day and 1 week of my portfolio compared to the overall market. For the 1 day, the portfolio was very close to the overall market, and on the 1 week we managed to beat it very slightly, but this could be slightly off as I had to do the calculation myself as M1 is bugging again. For the individual stocks, it's a mix with green and red for the 1 day and 1 week. For the 1 week my biggest gainer was low at 1.49%, but I am still in the red on that stock lol. The biggest loser was UNH with JNJ very close to it. This concludes the portfolio update for this week. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on those post notifications.